Hello and welcome back to part 2 of our Facebook Business Pages tutorial series. I had intended originally for video 5 to be the final video. However, for some reason we had a little bit of hiccup with the plugin, and moving over to Chrome as opposed to using Firefox, I seem to be getting the same exact result. I did uninstall and reinstall. I don't know if the problem is that I'm using a subdirectory of a subdirectory. However, I did want to show you both ways. Now, as we come over here to another one of our installs, you'll notice that when we reach that same point, the app ID that we're using for that particular like reveal page shows up right here where it says app ID equals, and then it puts that there, and then there's the reveal equals, it shows the page or post ID, and resize equals 1, and header equals 1, and footer equals 1. That's resize, WP head, and WP footer if you're wanting to confirm what's happening there. However, that doesn't help us with the original setup, so I had to actually look around a little bit to find a way to work around that. And you'll notice that right here there's a demo of the page if liked. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here, and I'm going to go right here to the actual link, and I'm going to copy that. We don't need to keep that up too much. I don't need all of the link information here. I'm just going to copy from the footer equals number 1, and I'm going to come over here to the far right, and I'm going to go all the way back. I'm going to copy that. Then we're going to open up the developers.facebook apps. It says I am logged in as roofing leads. Continue as John Doe, that's not a problem either way. We're going to click Edit Settings here. I'll move this over a little bit so that we keep the Facebook information straight. Now if you want to edit, you can do the same thing. You can just click Edit and you can go through and change anything you want, the app ID, image, the icon image, or any of the other information you want. All I'm changing here is the actual link URL so that we can come up with our like reveal option. I'm going to add the S here because you have to have secure, so it's HTTPS : and then your URL. I'm going to take that and put that in the same areas where all the other URLs were put. Come down here and click Save Changes. Next, I'm going to come over here where it says Add to Page. And I'm going to click on that. You'll notice that there's an option to choose your pages. You're going to scroll down and click Roofing Leads. And then there's a button right here that just simply says Add Page tab. Now once this opens up, you can actually close the window, come over here to your actual Facebook page and hit refresh. Give that a moment. Let's try scrolling down a little bit. Alright. Now you'll notice that it doesn't show up because we have other tabs there, but there was a 1 to the right. The first 12 are visible by any viewer, but only the first 4 are visible on the main tab area. So if we go ahead and click this, it'll open up in the same window and reveal the actual page that we've created, and we'll go over that in the next video.